Mm. And setting the border around the text, basically these two property. So Yeah, students, anybody is there? Okay, so today we'll discuss about the background images, how we can set using CSS property different background images, and what are the different properties within that background images that we'll learn today. So, one example, I'm just starting with that. So, at first, we'll create one simple document. Within that, we'll first include one image using the CSS property, and then we'll use some other properties also within that image. So let's first see what are those things. Good morning, everybody. So now I think no issue, no problem is there. Network issue was earlier, it was coming, that's why it get delayed. Okay, so the thing is that first of all we have to include one image. So here is the property. Within body we are inserting the image. So here is our body element, and then background image. This is the property background image. Then we using the URL attribute or using the URL. I'm passing the value. Remember here, since you can see this anps.jpg, this image is present in the same folder where I am creating this document, HTML document. So that's why I am not including the path. But suppose this image is present elsewhere, any other location. So in that case, you have to use the path. Path means this complete path, and then proceeding with slash this complete path, and then proceeding with slash then the file name that you have to write. So here is the background image. First of all we'll include this image. So let's see what is the status of this page. So if we run this one, if we simply run this, so you can see the background image is coming, and as well as it is not clear very well, but if we change the color of the text, it will be visible. Some text here in this way it is coming, but the image is there. Image is repeating in the whole screen, repeating in the complete screen. Now what we can do, what are the different property we can set for this background image? So the different properties are there. The first one that will now include, that is background repeat. Since we can see that same image is repeating for all the complete page, so that's why now we'll use this property if we do not want to repeat any image. Okay, so one by one I'm just adding comment here, so later on you can easily understand. So first is to insert an image using css. Using css, insert an image as background. It will be as background as using css things. So for that purpose, remember background image, this is the property, or this is the thing, css property, and this is the value. So now second is the background repeat, no repeat. That means if we do not want to repeat the image, so in that case then we can mention that no repeat option or no repeat value, background repeat, no repeat. Okay, to stop repeating, to stop repeating the image in background. So in that case we can use this. Then coming, so let's see how it is working. If we stop this, so again I'm being refreshed. So just closing the page, and I will repeat, I will restart it again. So let's see everything is correct or not. Yeah, background image, it is no repeat option is there. And after that I'm just including this also, the position of the image when I'm where I want to set the image. So for that purpose, I will use background position. Just like right top, right side top position I want to set. If we want to set on the left side, the left top, left bottom, in this way we can set the position of the image on the screen. Position of the image on page, you can say. So this is how we can set the position of the image. So now again, if we run the things, it is coming repeatedly. So let me stop it, check if any mistake is there. I think because of this commentary issues coming, so I'm removing these comments. So all of you have seen. So I'm saving it properly. So let me run it again. I think hopefully it will work now. Yeah, now it is working. So you can see the position of the image is on the right side. Position of the image is on the right top. Okay, and the text here just I'm repeatedly written few texts. So those texts are coming normally, but since I have used their position of the image as right top, so it has placed at the right top position. So if you mention it as left top, so in that case it will come into the left top position. So let's see if we do refresh. So here you can see the background image has came into the left top position. So in this way we can set the position also. Even if you want to place the image at the bottom, so bottom, here you can see now the image has moved to the left bottom. So in this way you can set the position of the image. So I'm again making it to the right top, right top. So these are the three basic properties that how you can insert an image. This is the first one. Then if you do not want to repeat the image, so then no repeat value for the background repeat, and background position that you can set using right top. Now next property we are opening. I'm just opening here. That is margin right. Margin right means margin. How much margin you want to set. So that we can mention using margin right and then in pixel. So let's see how it works. So now again it has moved to the top area. So margin just value as per value it is changing. Suppose let me change the value. Uh, for example 10 pixel only. So it will not come with that much changes. If I place here suppose 500 pixels, so from the margin side, right margin, it is setting up to 500 or 200, whatever pixel we are mentioning here. So now next we'll go for the last very important property of this image, that is background attachment. First of all, let me explain what is background attachment, what is the main for. Suppose you can see that here one background image is there. Now, whenever I am scrolling the page, you can see if we scroll the page with the page, the image is fixed. That's why whenever I'm scrolling it down, the page is also coming down. That image is also get hidden. Since I'm scrolling it down, so image we can't see where I am coming down. So now suppose if we want to fix this image, that means if I scroll it down, the image will remain fixed. That means wherever I move within this complete web page, so that time it will not move. It will not move. It will remain fixed. That means whenever I'm scrolling, it will be visible to us. So that we can say that image is fixed. So how we can make it image is fixed? So in that case, we have to use this background attachment as fixed. That means what? It will create the property that the particular background image, the background of attachment, it will be fixed or it will remain fixed for the whenever we are scrolling. So let's see how it works. I'm doing refresh. Now I'm scrolling it down. So now you can see the difference. When I'm scrolling it down, text are going down, but the image becomes fixed. So this is the very important property when we do not want that image should just like scroll down. Whenever we are scrolling down the text, that time we can do these things. So this is called only, these are the few properties of this image. These are the few properties of this image. So this was one task for today. Now we'll go for switch to another task, the shorter task, that is few examples of border. Now how we can set the different types of border in CSS. So these are the type of one simple example I've just taken. So let me open that example. So here we have taken as per class selector. So you can see the different p.1, p.2 in this way. Few type of selector I have chosen, and those selector I am using here. P class equal to 1, P class equal to 2, P class equal to 3. So we know that what is class selector. Class selector we generally write using the dot operator, and this is type of you can say the child selector type. Just P dot 1 means the class selector that will work for P only. Whenever the element is P, then only this paragraph select or this particular class selector will work. So P dot 1 here I have taken border style equal to solid. Border equals style is solid and border width is 5 pixel. P dot 2 border style solid, border width medium, and P3 dotted and 2 pixel, border style double 15 pixel. In this way, various types of border. This example I will send you the classroom. Obviously, you can go through it. So here you can see, then I'm using this all the classes for the things. So let's see. First of all, let me run this one first time. So now you can see there are different types of borders are coming on the screen. First one is normal thicker border, then dotted border, different types of border, double border are coming, double thicker border are coming. So these borders are coming. Let me see. Let me show you simultaneously side by side. So here you can see the first one, border style solid and border with 5 pixels. So you can see the 5 pixel solid border has came. Next is solid and border with is medium. I have not mentioned any value for it. So medium border. Then next one is dotted with 2 pixel. Next one is also dotted, but it is now thick. So thick dot has came. Even you can mention as pixel also. Suppose if you mention as pixel in place of thick, if you mention for example 10 pixel, 10 pixel. So now it will also change into 10 pixel. Here you can see the border has increased. So this is the generally meaning of this border setting the border. I can set the border. Next, fifth number border, that is double border style, double border has came and 15 pixel. Even you can increase the pixel also, increase the pixel size. Next, double border by default thick. So 15 is more thicker than the thick border, thick style. Here also you can mention your own predefined. Suppose if you mention 25 pixels, so it will cover more thicker border, thicker double border. So here you can see more thicker double border. So in this way, we can create or we can add different types of border in our document. So this is the thing. Tell me if any doubt is there. If anybody has any doubt in this part. these two areas. If you have any doubt, let me know first. Okay, this is up to for today's class. Tomorrow we'll do some another topic. Okay. Okay, then I'm ending the class. Thank you, student.